Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here two questions are written from the chapter triangle of your NCRT book. So we will see how we will solve this question. This question also are of proving type and student face problem. So we will see how we will do the solution of this question. Okay. So let us see the first question. What first question is saying? In figure C, figure is given. AC is equal to A is given. C. AC is equal to AE is given. AB is equal to AD is given. AB is equal to AD is given and angle BAD. BAD. This angle is equal to angle EAC. EAC. This angle. Okay. So that BC. See, BC is equal to DE. You have to show BC is equal to DE. Okay. So how you will show that the BC is equal to DE is there. So when you will make triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADE, then you can say that the BC is equal to DE by CPCT. Okay. So we will make both triangle congruent to each other. So before that, first of all, you will write what given. So what is given here? Here given AC is equal to AE is given and AB is equal to AD is given. Okay. AB is equal to AC is equal to AE is given, AB is equal to AD is given and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC is given. Okay. Now to prove you have to prove BC is equal to DE. Okay. Now see proof started. So see here. So see here. So to prove BC is equal to DE, you have to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADE. Okay. So for making for to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADE, we will consider first. So write down here in triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Okay, so ABC and ADE. So in ABC, AB and ADE is equal. See here. Here it is given. So write down here AB is equal to AD is there. Why? Write down here reason given. Now see here in triangle ABC, AC and in triangle ADE, AE is given. See here. So write down here AC is equal to AE. Write again given. Okay. Now see if you make angle BAC equal to DAE, then you can say that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. But here angle BAD is equal to EAC is given equal. So if you add this angle in both, then it will become BAC and it will become DAE. So how you will write? First of all, write as angle BAD is equal to angle EAC is equal as it is given. Now add this common angle DAC. Now write angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. So from Euclid's postulate, you had learned that key if there are two equal are there, two things are equal, then you can add same thing in both. So see here, so angle BAD plus DAC, BAD become what? BAC. Angle BAC equal EAC plus DAC. EAC plus DAC. What will become DAE? Angle DAE. Okay, DAE. Now see here. So two side and one included angle you had made equal. Now you can say that the so triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. By which criteria? See here, two sides and included angle are there. So as criteria you will use. Now, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. Therefore, you can say that BC is equal to D. BC is equal to D. Why? Right here CP means corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, so see here, in this way you will prove this. So see here, we have proved. So see, in this way you will do the write the solution of the given question. Now see the next question. What is next question here? AB is a line segment. See, AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. See, P is the midpoint of AB. D and E are points on the same side. D and E are points on the same side. Okay, of AB, such that angle BAD, this angle ABE, this angle equal to each other, and angle EPA is equal to, here right, equal to angle DPB, this angle equal to this angle. In figure, so that you have to show triangle DAP, you have to make this triangle congruent to EBP, okay, and you have to show AD is equal to BE, AD is equal to B. So when you make DAP triangle and triangle EBP congruent, then by simplicity you can say that the AD is equal to B, because AD and B are the parts of congruent triangle. Okay, so let us proceed how you will write the solution of this. So first write down given. So in given, what is given? If P is the midpoint of AB, P is midpoint of AB. So that is, you can say that AP is equal to BP will be, okay, and angle BAD is equal to angle ABE is given, and angle EPA is equal to angle DPB is given. See, now to prove, you have to prove first triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. Second thing, you have to prove AD is equal to DE. Okay. Now let us start the proof. So first you have to make triangle ADAP. See, DAP congruent to EBP. So how you will make? See here, in triangle DAP, this angle is equal, okay, and EBP. So this angle is equal to this angle, and see, AP is equal to BP. AP is the part of DAP and PB is the part of EBP. And see, if you make this angle equal to this angle, then you can say that by ASA both triangle congruent to each other. But here this angle equal to this angle is given. So as you have done here, you have added same thing in both angle. So here you will do same like this. You will add this angle EPD in both. Then it will become equal angle. So let us proceed in triangle DAP and triangle EBP. Okay. So what is given? Angle DAP is equal to angle EBP. Okay. So see, in the given part, it is not given directly. It is not given directly. See here, it is not given directly, indirectly. So you will write as angle BAD is equal to angle ABE is given. Okay. So you will write reason, because both indicate the same angle. Then you will write AP is equal to BP. It is given. We had already mentioned in the given, because P is the midpoint of. Okay. Then you will write as angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. Then add common angle EPA plus angle EPD EPD is equal to angle DPB plus angle EPD. So what will become APD? It will become angle APD. Okay, it will become APD, and you can write it EPB, angle EPB. See here, okay. Now see, one angle, one side, and two angles and one side is included. Then you can say that P. So triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. By which criteria? By ASA criteria. See, two angles and included side are there. Therefore, you can say that AD is equal to BE by CP. Okay, see here. In this way, you will prove both one. Okay, see. So in this way, you will write the solution of a given question. So I hope you have understood the solution of these two questions. Okay, and if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it, and wait for the next video. In next video, we will come with some more question of your this chapter triangle of NCERT exercise question. Okay, till now, thank you, and wait for the next video.